Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Boba Fett sitting on his throne from the Book of Boba Fett show. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Boba Fett, we're going to begin with the helmet. So we want to start right up here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up, it's going to curve around, and then we're going to bring it down like this. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it up a little bit, kind of like a really stretched out smiley face shape. Right across here, we're going to make a line. Then we're going to make another line that comes in, and we'll do one over here as well. Next, we're going to draw two lines that come down. Starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down, and then same thing here, it's going to go in and then curve down. And then we're going to make another line right across. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to go down and in, and same thing over here, we go out, down, and then in. Then I'm going to add an extra little line that goes up and over on this side. Next, we're going to draw two little lines that come up. Then we're going to make a little kind of rectangle shape right up here. Starting here, we're going to make two lines that come down with a little curved line right across. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes out on each side for the shoulders. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And we're going to make a line that comes across. Starting here, we're going to make two lines that come down, and we're going to make another line that comes across. Right here, we're going to draw a little rectangle shape right in the middle. And we're going to draw a line that comes down, and another little line that comes down. Next, we're going to make a line that goes over and down, and then same thing over here. We're going to go over and down. Next, we're going to draw another line that comes down on each side with another line across. We're going to make a little line that comes across the top, and then we're going to make two lines that come down. We're going to make a line that goes over and down. I want to make two little lines here, then we're going to make a little line, kind of like a rectangle shape on each side. And we're going to make a little line that comes down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes out and then in, and same thing over here, we're going to come out and then in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to start right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up. Same thing here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then right here we're going to make a line that's going to come out as well. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes across to connect. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, down and up, down and up, down and up, and then we're going to curve around for a thumb. Same thing here, we're going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. One more here, and then we're going to curve down and back up for a thumb. Next, we're going to add a little curved line on each one. And then right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then in. And we're going to draw another little line right here, with a little line inside of there. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down. Same thing here, we're going to come out, and then we're going to angle down. We're going to make a little line across. Now we're going to make a line that comes up and then in. Same thing here, we're going to go up and then in. Now let's draw a little line across. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and bring it up here. Same thing here, we're going to go down, we're going to curve it around and then bring it up. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little curved line right above the knee. We're going to make a line that's going to go over, and we're going to come up and down and over. Same thing here, we go over, we go up and down, and then over. Next, starting over here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and down. We're going to make a little line across the top, and then we're going to make another line that goes up and at an angle. We'll do the same thing here. We go up and then in at an angle. We'll draw a couple little lines across. Then over here, we're going to draw a line that goes up. We're going to come up, and then we're going to come back down to show where his blaster is. We'll draw a line that comes down and in here. Now we just want to draw his little throne that he's sitting on. So starting over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to draw another line that's just going to come down. We're going to make a line here and then over, and we're going to make a line that comes down here and then over. Then starting here, we're going to make a line across. We're going to draw another little line that comes down on each side. Next, we're going to bring this line out a little farther and then down. The same thing here, we're going to bring this line out a little farther and then in. I'm going to make this one come out a little bit farther. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and straight across. Then we're going to come out here and down. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up. We're going to come across, and we're going to bring it down to here. Just going to bring it out a little farther. Then I'm going to curve this line down and bring it over. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to curve this down and then bring it over. We'll draw a little line right along here. We'll make a little line across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and down. And the same thing here. We're going to make one that goes over and then down. And we're just going to add some little lines right across here. We'll do the same thing on this side. We're just going to make some little lines that come across. Then I'm going to make a little kind of broken line right behind here, just to show some detail. Then right here on the boots, I'm just going to draw a little line that comes right across the bottom. We'll make a little line that goes over and then down, over, down, and in. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to go over and then back up. Then we'll add a little rectangle shape right over here. I'm going to add a couple little details right on the arms. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines in here just to kind of show some wrinkles in the fabric. Make a little line that goes down, over, and in. We'll go down, over, and in. And there you go, there's your drawing of Boba Fett sitting on his throne. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.